We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our company's staff works hard to go the extra mile, so these positive reviews are very motivating. We do our best to get customer feedback. We always appreciate hearing from our customers as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring for every single one of our customers. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to our customers, and in return, we have incredibly loyal customers. See, and you'll be amazed. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.